Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Transit Connect XLT. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows.